Amid the ongoing political tussle in Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has fired a veiled jibe. In a subtle counter, Uddhav said that the ongoing politics is aimed at defaming the state. He said that he would respond to all the political issues at the right time and his silence cannot be misconstrued as a weakness. Uddhav also reiterated that there have been several political storms in the past too, and he's fully capable of handling this one as well. Interestingly, while Uddhav made these comments, not once in his 40-minute address did he mention the Kangana Ranaut controversy or the attack on a Navy veteran by Shiv Sainiks.
काही जणांना असं वाटत असेल कदाचित की आता कोरोना संपलाय, पुनश्च हरिओम म्हणजे आपलं राजकारण पुन्हा सुरू करावं. केलंही असेल, करायला काही हरकत नाही. तूर्त मी राजकारणाबद्दल काही बोलणार नाही. पण राजकारणाबद्दल आणि एकूणच महाराष्ट्राच्या बदनामीचा जो काही डाव आखला जातोय त्याच्याबद्दल एकदा मात्र मी जरूर मुख्यमंत्री पदाचा मास्क हा थोडा वेळ बाजूला ठेवून आपल्याशी बोलणार आहे. त्यातले सुद्धा धोके आणि एकूण ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या आपल्यासमोर मी नक्की मांडणार आहे. मी बोलत नाही याचा अर्थ असं नाही की माझ्याकडे उत्तर नाही, पण एक मुख्यमंत्री पदाच्या खुर्चीवरती बसलेला आहे, त्याला साजेसं काम आपल्याला करावं लागते.
Saurabh Vakhtania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Saurabh, the Chief Minister's address was focused on the fight against coronavirus, but essentially the message that he's put out with those one or two mentions that he made about political storm and that his silence is not a weakness, is that he's taken cognizance of what's happening but not willing to comment at this stage.
Well, Akshita, this is after a very long period of time when Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has finally broken his silence. Now, he maintained that he is just going to speak on coronavirus, but also he has said that don't consider my silence as my weakness. Now, what does he means by it? He also says that I am wearing the mask of Chief Minister. Once I will remove that mask and I'll be able to tell you and I'll give back all the answers, what all political happenings what all political things are happening in the state of Maharashtra. There is a full strategy to defame Maharashtra is going on, but I'll speak on all this. He also said, Akshita, that there should be no morcha, no andolan in Maharashtra as there are cases of coronavirus increasing. But if we analyze this particular speech, Akshita, the most important part is when Kangana Ranaut came to Mumbai at the airport, there were Shiv Sainik who protested in a large number. Some of them did not even worn masks with them. Also, we saw how the Shiv Sainik attacked the ex-Navy officer in Kandivali. Around 8 to 9 Shiv Sainik attacked the Navy officer. So all on this, there were also many other things like for the Mumbai police in the Sushant case and several other celebrities matter, the drug cases. He did not speak at all on anything. He only spoke about coronavirus, but he gave us stern message to the opposition parties, especially BJP. He said that it is not the right time to politicize things. Earlier, the cases in Mumbai were 1,000, which were brought down under 1,000. But right now, every day, over 2,000
so
coronavirus
he basically,
cases are coming
Saurabh, kept his speech, kept his address focused only on coronavirus. If we expected any reaction on all the ongoing controversies, that did not come so far from Uddhav Thackeray.